Welcome to Nature with Aristotle, where we explore the fascinating world of natural science and uncover the secrets of our planet's incredible biodiversity. Today, we're going on an adventure into the realm of one of the most intriguing and highly social insects, the leafcutter ant. These incredible creatures are a type of fungus-growing ant that can be found in the tropical and subtropical regions of Central and South America, from Mexico to Argentina. But what makes them so unique? Well, let's start with their name. Leafcutter ants don't actually eat leaves. Instead, they cut them up into small pieces and use them to cultivate fungus for food. This remarkable behavior is not only fascinating, but also crucial to their survival. The evolutionary history of leafcutter ants dates back millions of years, with fossil records showing that they've been around since the Paleocene epoch, about 60 million years ago. They were first scientifically documented by the Swedish botanist and zoologist Carolus Linnaeus in the 18th century. Since then, numerous naturalists and biologists have contributed to our understanding of these ants, including the renowned entomologist E.O. Wilson. From a scientific perspective, leafcutter ants belong to the genus Atta and are part of the family Formicidae. They're highly social creatures that live in complex colonies with different castes, each with its own specific role. The colony is typically divided into three main castes: workers, soldiers, and queens. Workers are responsible for foraging, caring for young, and maintaining the colony's infrastructure. Soldiers are larger and stronger, with enlarged heads and mandibles that they use to defend the colony from predators. Queens, on the other hand, are responsible for laying eggs and ensuring the colony's survival. Research has shown that leafcutter ants are incredibly efficient at what they do. They're able to cut and collect leaves with remarkable precision, using their powerful jaws and specialized cutting tools. In fact, studies have estimated that a single colony of leafcutter ants can harvest up to 15% of the total leaf area in a given forest ecosystem. But how do they manage to achieve this level of efficiency? It all comes down to their highly organized social structure and division of labor. One of the most fascinating aspects of leafcutter ant biology is their symbiotic relationship with fungus. The ants collect leaves, cut them into small pieces, and then use them to create a nutrient-rich compost that they use to grow fungus. This fungus is their primary source of food, and they've developed a specialized system to cultivate it. In fact, research has shown that the fungus grown by leafcutter ants is so nutritious that it's rich in proteins, carbohydrates, and even vitamins. But leafcutter ants don't just have a fascinating relationship with fungus, they also play a crucial role in their ecosystems. As both herbivores and decomposers, they help to break down organic matter and recycle nutrients, which has a positive impact on soil quality and fertility. In fact, studies have shown that the presence of leafcutter ants can increase the growth rate of plants by up to 50%. They're also an important food source for many other animals, including birds, spiders, and other insects. Unfortunately, leafcutter ants are facing numerous threats in the wild, including habitat destruction, pesticide use, and climate change. As their habitats are destroyed or degraded, they're forced to compete with other species for resources, which can lead to a decline in their populations. In fact, some species of leafcutter ants are considered endangered, highlighting the need for conservation efforts to protect these incredible creatures. In recent years, researchers have made significant advances in our understanding of leafcutter ants, including the discovery of new species and the development of innovative methods for studying their behavior and ecology. For example, a study published in the journal Nature used genetic analysis to identify new species of leafcutter ants and shed light on their evolutionary history. As we conclude our journey into the world of leafcutter ants, I want to leave you with a thought-provoking insight. How? These incredible ants remind us that even in the most complex and seemingly chaotic systems, there is often a hidden order and beauty. By studying the social structures, behaviors, and ecological relationships of creatures like the leafcutter ant, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate web of life that surrounds us. Moreover, the study of leafcutter ants has important implications for our understanding of human society and ecology. For example, their complex social organization and division of labor can provide insights into how human societies can work together to achieve common goals. Additionally, their symbiotic relationships with other species can inform our understanding of how to manage ecosystems and promote biodiversity. That's all for today's Nature with Aristotle. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, may your curiosity about the natural world continue to flourish.